Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Last class we started rational root theorem, reciprocal equation, and non-polynomial equation. Have you all remembered? So using those concepts, we are going to do your exercise 3.5. And in your exercise 3.5, there will be no particular method. So whatever method you want, you can do that. Okay. So if you take the first problem, solve the following equation, and the question it is given that sine square x minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Now is this a polynomial equation? No, this is not a polynomial equation, right? So first we have to change this as a polynomial equation. So what we can take, let y equal to sine x. So whatever the value is given, that we are going to take it as y. Now how can you rewrite this equation? Y square minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Correct? Now you can use our tree method to find out the factor. So what are the two numbers? 1 4s are 4, minus 1 minus 5. So this will become y minus 1 and y minus 4 equal to 0. Correct? That is y equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Correct? That is, what is your y value? Sin x. So sin x equal to 1, sin x equal to 4. Is that 4 the value is possible? No. So sin x equal to 4, it is not possible. We can't get the value for 4 in trigonometry. So it is not possible. Correct? And what will be the next one? Sin x equal to 1. So this 1 can be taken as sin x equal to sin pi by 2 is 1. Correct? So sin x equal to sin pi by 2. Now we have to write down the general value. Actually, whenever 1, you will take it as general term as sin pi by 2, but sin 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, there are many terms are there. No, the value will be 1. So your general term is x equal to n pi plus or minus 1 power n into, what is this value? Pi by 2. So this is your general form. This we have studied in your 11th standard. So what is the general form? X equal to n pi plus or minus 1 power n into pi by 2. Is that clear? And your second question, solve 12x cube plus 8x equal to 29x square minus 4. So here particular method is not there. It is not applicable. So we will take everything to one term. So if I take p of x equal to 12x cube minus 29x square plus 8x minus in the பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா plus 4. Okay va? Now we have to check various values. So இப்போ நம்ம இங்க 1 போட்டோம்னா 12 minus 29 plus 8 plus 4, is that equal to 0? No. 8 plus 4 12 ah. 12 plus 12 24 ah. 24 let minus 29 pochna, we will not get answer as 0. We can put p of 2. So p of 2 போட்டிங்கன்னா you will get the answer as 0 கிடைக்குது. Therefore you can conclude that x equal to 2 is a root. So x equal to 2 is a root. No, நம்ம என்ன conclude பண்ணலாம்? X minus 2 is a factor. Is that clear? Since we found 2 is a root, we can use the L method to find out the remaining factors. So question இருக்கிற coefficients மட்டும் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 12 minus 29, 8 and 4. So 2 is a root நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? So 2 போட்டோம்னா 12 plus 0 12. இதையும் multiply பண்ணீங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணீங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணீங்க, இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணீங்க. Similarly இது ரெண்டையும் multiply பண்ணீங்க, add பண்ணீங்கன்னா what answer you will get? 0. Therefore, what will be the remaining equation? 12x square minus 5x minus 2. திரும்ப 12 2s are minus 24 minus 5. What are the two numbers? 8 3s are 24. இங்க coefficient 12 இருக்கனால we have to divide by 2. So what are the two numbers we got? 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. So x minus 2 by 3 into x plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore, what is your x value? X equal to 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 4, right? Therefore The solutions are, what are the three values? X equal to 1, the 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. This is your final answer. And your second question, examine for the rational roots. So rational roots we are going to find out, and what is the question given? 2x cube minus x square minus 1 equal to 0. So number rational root kandupidikarnala we can use rational root theorem. So what is your rational root theorem? P is a factor of A naught, Q is a factor of AN. Okay, va? If P by Q with P comma Q equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial, then we can say that P is a factor of A naught and Q is a factor of AN. Okay, va? So here what is given, what is there, what is the question is, okay, this is your AN, this is your A naught. Okay, va? So first நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், P by Q with PQ equal to 1. What are the values in கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். Okay, so from that we can find out the factor. Okay, so here what I am going to do is, now P ங்கிறது A naught, A naught ங்கிற value இங்க என்ன, -1. So P is a factor of -1. So -1 ஓட multiplications divisor லாம் என்ன, -1 plus 1. Okay ba? Next, Q is a factor of 2. Correct? Because Q is a factor of AN. AN ங்கிறது இங்க என்ன, 2. So what are the divisor of 2? 1 minus 1 வரும், then 2 minus 2 வரும். Is that right? 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. Now what we have to find out? P by Q. So P by Q na, we have to divide this, right? So minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 is plus 1. Either divide panna minus 1 by 2. Either divide panna plus 1 by 2. திரும்ப second term 1 by 1 1 already இருக்கு. 1 by minus 1 இருக்கு. 1 by 2 இருக்கு. 1 by minus 2 இருக்கு. So we got it P by Q here. Correct? Now what we have to do? We have to okay, what is the theorem? If P by Q with PQ equal to 1. So நம்மளுக்கு கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு what are the divisors of P and Q. Okay va? Number. Now the question, P of x equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 1. So definitely இதுக்குள்ள தான் root இருக்கும்னு அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. So first we can check with P of minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, minus 1 inga 1, and so minus 1, again here it is minus 1. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, which is not equal to 0. Correct? Next, P of 1 we can, okay, P of 1 we can take. So 2 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Correct? Next, what value we can take? P of minus 1 by 2 we can take. So 2 into 1 by 2, 2s are 4, 4 2s are minus 8. Minus 1 by 2, 2s are 4. Next, minus 1. Correct? So again, if you simplify this, இதை ரெண்ட cancel பண்ணம்னா 4 2s are 8. Correct? So again, what answer you will get? Minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. Is this equal to 0? Definitely it is not equal to 0. So this is not equal to 0. What is the last value? Minus 1 completed. 1 completed, minus 1 by 2 completed. Next is 1 by 2. Correct? So P of 1 by 2. So P of 1 by 2 na 2 into 8, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. Again this will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. Again இது ரெண்டு cancel ஆனாலும் it is not equal to 0. Correct? So இங்க P of 1 equal to மட்டும்தான் 0 கிடைச்சிருக்குது. ரைட்டா? Therefore x equal to 1 in the 1. Therefore x equal to 1 is the only rational root. Only rational root. And your second subdivision is also like that only. Second subdivision, what is your A naught? That is P is a factor of, இங்கே A naught value in 1. So P is a factor of 1 and Q is a factor of, that is also 1. Okay. So second subdivision is your homework. And your third problem, it is given that 8x power 3 by 2n minus 8x power minus 3 by 2n equal to 63, and this is also not a polynomial equation. So what we can change, okay, first we can rewrite the question as 8x power 3 by 2n minus 8 by x power 3 by 2n equal to 63. Correct? Now we can take, let y equal to x power 3 by 2n to make the calculation easy. So how can you rewrite this one? 8y minus 8 by y equal to 63. Correct? Now what we have to do? We have to take LCM. So 8y square minus 8. இது இங்கே போச்சுன்னா y ஆயிடும், இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா minus. So minus 63y equal to 0. Again rewrite this formula. 8x square minus 63y minus 8 equal to 0. Now use your tree method. So 8 8s are 64, minus 64 and minus 63. What are the two numbers? 64 into 1. Minus 4, no, here you have to put minus. Then after that we have to divide by 8. Correct? So divide by 8 போட்டோம்னா 8 is 64, 1 by 8. So what is your y value? Y equal to minus 8 na plus 8, 1 by 8 na minus 1 by 8. These are the two values. Now use your this thing, y is equal to, okay, so y equal to x power 3 by 2n. Now if you take y equal to 8, again subdivide this one. Okay, so y equal to 8 na, 8 equal to x power 3 by 2n. Correct? Next, x power 1 by 2n, in the 3 and the pakko eduthovna 8 power 1 by 3. Correct? Now x power 1 by 2n, which is equal to, this will be 2 2s of 4 2s are 8 varum, and the 3 cancel aiduchna, which is equal to 2. Correct? Therefore x equal to 2 power 2n. Is that right? Okay, so again what you can write this one. Okay, so we can do here. Next, minus 1 by 8 we can take. So in the y க்கு பதிலா என்ன போட போறோம்? Minus 1 by 8. So minus 1 by 8 போட்டோம்னா minus 1 by 8 equal to x power 3 by 2n. Correct? So x power 3 இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துக்கலாம், வெறும் 1 by 2n அந்த பக்கம் வெச்சோம்னா minus 1 by 8 power 1 by 3. Correct? Again this will be x power 1 by 2n equal to, இந்த 8 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube னு எழுதலாம். So that 2 and this 3 will get cancelled. So answer will be minus 1 by 2 னு வரும். Is that right? So what we can take from this? Okay, இங்கிருந்து என்ன எழுதலாம்? திரும்ப x equal to minus 1 by 2. இந்த 1 by 2n அந்த பக்கம் போச்சுன்னா 2n மாறும். கரெக்டா? So minus 1 by 2 the whole power 2n. Is that right? So again how can you write this one in the x equal to, this you can write 2 power 2 into n. Correct? Similarly இதே மாதிரி இதை எழுதணும்னா x equal to minus 1 by 2 power 2 into n. Correct? Yes. So again if you simplify this you will get x equal to 2 2s are 4 power n. அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் போட்டோம்னா x equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 power n. So your final this one, okay, 4n. So what are the two values we got? X equal to 4n x equal to 1 by 4n. Now what you have to do, in the x equal to 4n, x equal to 1 by 4 power n questionல substitute பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். எந்த value equation satisfy பண்ணுது, whether 4n satisfy பண்ணுதா இல்லை 1 by 4n satisfy பண்ணுதான்னு you have to check using the question. So what is the question given? 8x power 3 by 2n minus 8x power minus 3 by 2n equal to 63 கொடுத்துருக்காங்களா. So first we can take x equal to 4n. ஓகேவா? ஸோ எப்படி எழுதலாம் இதை? 8 into 4n the whole power 3 by 2n minus 8 4 power n whole power minus 3 by 2n equal to, okay, no need of equal to. So what you will get? 8 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 8 into 4 power minus 3 by 2. Correct? Now again இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 8 into 2 square 3 by 2 minus 8 into 2 square minus 3 by 2. So என்ன cancel பண்ணலாம்? This 2 2 2 2 will get cancelled. Correct? So what will be remaining? 8 into 2 power 3 minus 8 into 2 power minus 3. Again 8 common எடுத்தோம்னா 2 power 3 minus 2 power minus 3. Correct? So again 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 1 by 8. Again இதை simplify பண்ணோம்னா 8 64 minus 1 by 8 cancel which is equal to 63 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இதே மாதிரி இப்போ என்ன substitute பண்ண போறோம்? x equal to 1 by 4 power n substitute பண்ண போறோம். So for x by 1 பண்ணோம்னா அதே questionல 8 into 1 by 4 power n 3 by 2 power n minus 8 into 1 by 4 power n minus 3 by 2n. Correct? Next. So what we can write here? 8 into 1 by 4 power n into 3 by 2n கீழே மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம் minus 8 by 1 by 4 power n into minus 3 by 2 power n எடுத்துக்கலாமா? So can we cancel this n and similarly இந்த 4ஐயும் 2 square எழுதலாம். So இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிடும், இந்த 2 cancel ஆயிடும். So what will be remaining? 8 into 1 by 2 cube minus 1 by 2 power minus 3 மட்டும் remain இருக்கும். So 8 into 1 by 8 minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. இங்க minus இருக்கனால மேலேயே வந்துரும் அது 8. Again if you do this one, 1 minus 8 8s are 64 by 8 8 cancel ஆயிடும். What answer we are getting? Minus 63. But questionல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? It is plus 63. So plus 63 எது satisfied ஆச்சு? X power 4 power n. Therefore x equal to 4n. Is that 4n or 4 power n? X equal to 4 power n. X equal to, therefore x equal to 4 power n is the solution. X equal to 4 power n is the solution. Is that clear? Your fourth question. Solve 2 root of x by a plus 3 root of a by x equal to b by a plus 6a by b. Okay, so here root is not a polynomial equation. Correct? So root is not a polynomial equation. First we have to change that into a polynomial equation. So enna edukkalam? Let y equal to root of x by a. Okay ba? So root irukanaல root of x by a. So this equation will become 2y plus 3 into இங்கே வந்து a by x இருக்கனால we can take it in the reverse order. 1 by y equal to left hand side as it is b by a plus 6a by b. And again if you take LCM, this will become 2y square plus 3 by y equal to, again if you take this LCM, b square plus 6a square by ab. Correct? Again what we can do the cross multiplication. So if you do the cross multiplication, you will get 2 ab y square plus 3ab equal to b square plus 6a square into y. Is that right? Now taking everything to one side, 2ab y square minus b square plus 6a square of y plus 3ab equal to 0. Correct? Now look at here. This is your y square term, y term and constant term. So can we use the quadratic formula, or you can use tree method to get the answer. Okay, so here tree method is possible. What is the product? 3 2s are 6, a square b square, so 6 a square b square is your product, and sum is minus b square, or minus b square plus 6a square. Now tell me what are the two numbers. Minus b square minus b square minus 6a square. Correct? See, இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா மைனஸ் இன்ட்டு மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ்ஸு, ஸோ 6a square b square. ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா மைனஸ் காமன் எடுத்தோன்னா b square plus 6a square. Correct? So these are the two numbers which we get product, and which we add, we will get this sum. Okay, so after this, since this is your what is that, coefficient is 2ab, we can divide by 2ab. This is also we can divide by 2ab. So 2ab will divide panamna, this and this will get cancelled, a and square will get cancelled. Correct? So how can we write this one? Therefore y equal to, inge minus b by 2a irukanaல we can take it that as b by 2a. Again inge 1 2s to 3 2s are 6. Again inge 3a by b minus irukanaல plus, so 3a by b. Correct? Now what is the question? It is given okay, what we have taken, y equal to square root of x by a we have taken. Correct? So y equal to square root of x by a. இப்போ நம்ம y க்கு பதிலா we are going to substitute these two values. Okay, so substitute பண்ணி which values satisfy the equation we are going to see. So ரெண்டையும் கண்டினியூவா பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Okay, so first will be y equal y ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? b. So b by 2a equal to square root of x by a. இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்தோன்னா 3a by b equal to square root of x by a. கரெக்டாக y க்கு பதிலா b by 2a, இங்கே y க்கு பதிலா 3a by b. Is that clear? Now so here we can squaring on both sides in the root எடுக்கிறதுக்கு. So என்ன வரும்? x by a equal to b square by 4a square. Similarly இந்த பக்கம் என்ன ஆகும்? 9a square by b square equal to x by a. இங்கிருந்து x என்னன்னு எடுக்கலாம்? a. Okay, we can cancel this a and square. Okay வா? So என்ன ஆன்சர் வரும்? b square by 4a. Similarly இந்த பக்கம் x வேணும்னா x equal to 9a cube by b square. Is that right? So x equal to b square by 4a, x equal to 9a cube by b square. ரெண்டு வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிருக்குது. Again what we are going to do? We are going to substitute this x value in the question. Is that clear? Okay. So first what value we can substitute? X equal to b square by 4a. Let x equal to b square by 4a. So question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 2 root of x by a. x ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? 4 square by 4a. ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு a இருக்குதாங்க. ஓகேவா? ப்ளஸ் 3 square root of a ஓட வேல்யூ, a is as like that one only. x square ஓட வேல்யூ b square by 4a. அது மேலே போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So again அதை simplify பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 2 b square ஓட root b, 4a square ஓட root வந்து 2a. Similarly second simplify பண்ணோம்னா 3 4 ஓட root 2, a square ஓட root a by b square ஓட root b. Okay, so again we cancel this 2. So what you will get, b by a plus 3 2s are 6a by b, correct? Okay, actually what we want to prove, b by a plus 6a by b kadichirucha. Okay, anyhow we can substitute the next value also. So next value substitute panningina, substitute x equal to 9a cube by b square. இதையும் substitute பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். So questionல substitute பண்ணோம்னா 2 square root of 9 a cube by b square a into b square plus 3 square root of a into b square by 9a cube. Okay, so இதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் கேன்சல் பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 2. இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆச்சுன்னா ஸ்கொயர், இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆச்சுன்னா ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ வாட் யூ வில் கெட் 2 into 3 into a by b plus 3 into b by 3a. So 3 cancel ஆகிடும். So your answer you will get 6a by b plus b by a, correct? So if we substitute both the values we will get the solution, right? So here what you can conclude, therefore b by a plus 6a by b, therefore the solution set. Okay, therefore the solution is, for the solution set is b squared by 4a, 9a cube by b square. Is that clear? And your fifth question, solve the equation. So here it is given that 6x power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 equal to 0. Now look at here. First term and last term are equal. 6. 35 minus 35 are same. So if the coefficient of a naught an minus 1, an minus 2 are equal now, what method we can use? Yes, a reciprocal method we can use. Okay, so here for this question we are going to use the reciprocal method to solve the given equation. So first we can combine first term and last term, second term and the previous term. So if I take 6 common in the first term, what I will get, x power 4, here it is plus 1, so x power 4 plus 1. Similarly, if I combine this two, I can take minus 35 as common. So what I will get, x cube minus minus I have taken also x cube plus x, correct? And the remaining term will be 62x square equal to 0. Now I can take x square common. So here x square is there, so I can take x square as common. So if I take x square common edutha, I will get 6 into x square plus 1 by x. Similarly, inga minus 35 x square common eduthirukom illaya, so x plus 1 by x plus 62 equal to 0. Now if I take this x square to that side, it will become 0. So what will be remaining? 6 into x square plus 1 by x minus 35 x plus 1 by x plus 62 equal to 0. So for the first term, actually this is square. X square common eduthamna inga square dana varum. Okay, now we can use completing the square format for the first term. So completing the square, how can we use? So 6 if I take common, x plus the next term will be 1 by x the whole square minus 2. Now look at, simplify this. X is a square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, right? So 2 into x into 1 by x will get cancelled. So this 2, that minus 2 will get cancelled. So you will get x square plus 1 by x square. So this is your completing the square format. Okay, close the bracket. This one as it is, minus 35 into x plus 1 by x plus 62 equal to 0. Now this 6 into x plus 1 by x the whole square, 6 2s are 12, okay ba? So I can take that last term, 35 into x plus 1 by x plus 62 minus 6 2s are 12 equal to 0, right? So again, how can you write that one? 6 into x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 35 into x plus 1 by x plus 50 equal to 0. Now we can use the substitution method. So let x plus 1 by x equal to y. How this equation will change? 6y square minus 35y plus 50 equal to 0. Correct? So what are the two numbers? 6 5s are 35. So we have to get the product as 350 and this will be minus 35. Correct? So what are the two numbers we can put here? So 15 into 20 is 300 and இது ரெண்டு add பண்ணோம்னா 35. So divide by 6 போட்டோம்னா 1 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 0. Okay, so we can write this as y value. Directly we can take the y value. So y value equal to 10 by 3 comma 5 by 2. So இதை எடுத்து we have to get the x value, right? இதில் substitute பண்ணணும். So when y equal to 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 இங்கே போட்டோம்னா x plus 1 by x equal to 10 by 3. So இது LCM எடுத்தோம்னா x square plus 1 equal to 10x by 3. இது இங்கே எடுத்தோம்னா 3x square plus 3 minus 10x equal to 0. The correct formula எழுதணும்னா 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Correct? So again இதை cancel பண்ணோம்னா 3 3s are 9 minus 10. Correct? 3 3s are 9 minus 10. So what are the two numbers? 9 1. So 9 ones are 9 minus போட்டோம்னா 9 plus 1 10. Again after that you have to divide by 3. So divide by 3 போட்டோம்னா 3 3s are 9. So what is your x value? X value is 3 comma 1 by 3. Similarly, when you substitute y is equal to 5 by 2, x plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. So x square plus 1 equal to 5x by 2. 2x square plus 2 minus 5x equal to 0. திரும்ப இதை மாற்றி எழுதணும்னா 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So again if we take 4 minus 5, so minus 1 minus 4 then divided by 2. Okay, so your here what is your x value? 2 comma 1 by 2. So these are the 4 roots only we want to find out, right? Therefore the roots are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 comma 3. And your second subdivision question is given as x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So here what you can do is if you substitute 1 and minus 1, definitely you will get answer as 0. Okay, so we can take 1 and minus 1 will be the root. The next two roots you are going to find out. Okay, so today's class is that's all, and your homework is exercise 3.5 fifth problem, second subdivision. Exercise 3.5 fifth problem, second subdivision, and second problem, second subdivision. Thank you, students.